Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to find hidden photos on iPhone, iOS in 2025. So you'll have to go and basically launch your Photos app. So let me just go and do so. So as an example, here we are, here's my Photos app. I'm just going to click on that and this should open up. Now, once you go here, you can go to basically the bottom of the application. So as an example, once you go to the bottom, you should find this utilities option on the Photos application. And you'll find, as an example, this hidden option. So of course, if you didn't find utilities, you can just keep scrolling to the bottom of the page and you should find, an example, this customize and reorder. Go and click on that. And if you don't have, of course, this utilities enabled, make sure to go and enable it. So once it is enabled, you can just go like up a little bit and you'll find again utilities. In here, you should find this hidden option. For example, touch ID to view this album and click on view album as example. Then you'll have to go and add your thing, your fingerprint. And as you can see for me, I have no photos or videos that are hidden. For you, if you have any hidden, you'll be able to find them here in this hidden option. And of course, also the recently deleted, also the duplicates and handwriting as well. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.